Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Check Rain 5G coverage and read the signal dBm and SINR numbers so you know your baseline. Run 1 2-minute speed tests in the places you use most. This tells you where to focus. Once done, power cycle the modem and note its firmware and model. That matters because improvements often require updates. Make sure you document results so you can measure gain after each change, not guess. Now you optimize placement and antennas to extract better throughput. Move the Rain gateway near a high window and elevate it to reduce walls and reflections. Once done, small location changes can yield big gains. If your modem accepts external antennas, swap or add a directional 5G antenna and point it toward the nearest mast. Make sure to test different 5G bands. Switch between available bands like N1, N78. Finalize by tuning settings and locking down heavy users. Update to the latest firmware, disable unused co-S rules or deep filters that add latency, and set band or channel preferences if your gateway allows it. Once done, connect high-demand devices via Ethernet or set a dedicated SSID for priority devices so wireless airtime is free for mobile clients. If speeds still lag, capture signal logs and speed tests with timestamps and contact Rain support with those measurements for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.